Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We are referencing our 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. And hey, in the event that your auto start is on, we are going to talk about some troubleshooting items in this video. Let's take a look. All right, DIYers, making our way to the vehicle again, 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, and we're going to hop in the vehicle, start the engine, and show you the auto start malfunction that has taken place, unfortunately. Making our way inside the vehicle, I'm going to start the engine. And you will see the auto start icon or malfunction icon or alert pop up here shortly, top left corner. Up here, there it is, you can see it. It is an A inside a circle with an exclamation point, and you can see start, stop, unavailable service, stop, start system. And our current mileage is 88,656, and this will be our third auxiliary battery, unfortunately, if we actually have to replace that. However, let's try a couple troubleshooting steps. Number one, coming over to our center console here, and we're going to select the auto start and cycle that on and off. Right now it is on. You can see the blue light in the top center illuminated, and coming up here, still triggered, and cycling that off. And wait maybe about 5 to 10 seconds, and if it does not go away, we are then going to hop outside of the vehicle, open up the hood. We're going to keep the engine running, and we are going to focus on the actual electrical wire connection for the auto start that secures to the main battery negative cable lead. And we have waited the 10 seconds, and unfortunately it has not gone away, so let's hop outside. Making our way to the front of the vehicle, coming inside the engine compartment, and we have a larger battery. That's our primary battery. And to the left of that, we have a smaller motorcycle size or jet ski size auxiliary battery. And come to the negative cable of your main battery, and right down here, you can disconnect this switch. Be very careful as you do so. Just get your hand in here, and on the back side up here, you have a compression lock tab. Push that in and slide that off, as shown there. The auto start is now disconnected, and leave it disconnected for about 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, plug it back in. DIYers, we are back with you and coming back inside to plug this in, and just be careful. Make sure that you push it all the way on and it is locked and clicks in place. And from here, double check everything. Let's hop back in the vehicle and see if the auto start went away. Back inside the vehicle, and DIYers, as you can see, top left corner, unfortunately the auto start trigger or malfunction icon is still illuminated. Back out of the vehicle and coming inside the engine compartment, again, the main primary battery, we have already disconnected the auto start electrical connection, and no luck. And we are going to loosen up the 10mm nut right there, and we are going to back that out. Not remove it completely, just loosen it up and carefully remove that entire terminal connection off of the negative terminal of the battery. And we are going to leave this completely disconnected for a minimum of 5 minutes. And ensure your engine is off before you remove that. And we did just that. The entire electrical connection point is disconnected, and make sure it is positioned in a way where it's not going to make contact with the negative terminal of the battery during the 5 minutes. Coming back to our auxiliary battery, just double check the electrical wiring and the connections, both positive and negative, as you see right in there. And ensure no damage or melting or any burn areas or signs of overheating. To an update, the entire electrical connection is resecured to the negative terminal of the battery, and double check everything, and if all looks good, which in our case it does, let's hop back into the vehicle, start the engine, and see if the illumination or trigger went away. Back inside the vehicle, and DIYers, as you can see, top left corner, unfortunately the auto start trigger or malfunction icon is still illuminated, and we've exhausted all troubleshooting steps. We unfortunately are faced with replacing our auxiliary battery for the third time, but that's okay. It's a very friendly DIY project. And scrolling above right now, as well as down below in the comments and description, will be a link on where to go to watch our step-by-step video of replacing the auxiliary battery on our exact 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. Back outside the vehicle, and to an update, we actually just purchased a brand new auxiliary battery, Mopar OEM, and we're at the dealership, literally, on vacation. Not the best time for your auxiliary battery to fail, but hey, it's okay. And again, check out our step-by-step video on how to properly and safely replace this. We have removed the old and needing to be replaced auxiliary battery on the left-hand side and the brand new one on the right. DLRs with an update. The new battery is installed, and as you can see, stop start not ready, battery charging, and the battery has probably been on the shelf for a few months, and that's okay. It's time to charge it. Alright DLRs, the battery has been replaced. The vehicle has gone for a test drive, as you can see, with the difference in mileage, 88,660, and all went well. And as far as the charging, it took about 7 minutes, believe it or not. So that battery, again, was definitely needing a charge. DLRs, from here, do us a favor, below the video, you will see the thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.